Hi, in this session, we'll discuss the other part of the Venn diagrams. In our previous session, we have discussed the union of a Venn diagram. So, if I have set A and if I have set B, and how I can represent A union B with the help of Venn diagram. Right? Now, in this session, we will see how we will denote the intersection part of the Venn diagram. So, Venn diagram is nothing but the relationship between or among the sets or some objects that have some common thing, right? And if suppose if I have this as a set and if I have B as a set of 2, 4 and 6, and here I will represent the set A with 1, 2, 3 and 4 and B with 2, 4 and of course I have one more element which is number 6, right? So, this is my B set and this is my A set. Now, we will see how we will represent the intersection of these two, A and B. So, A intersection B. How we will represent A intersection B? So, we know that A intersection B from the given set is what? Intersection means the common element between A and B. So, if you observe A and if you observe B, so what are the common elements in between A and B? We can say 2 and 1. If you observe clearly, we have number 2 as a common as well as number 4 as a common. So, if you observe from A and B, we have 2 elements as a common, which is 2 and 4. So, our A intersection B is 2 and 4, right? So, our A intersection B is 2 and 4. So, this is my A intersection B. Now, how I will represent this in Venn diagram? So, how you can represent this in Venn diagram? So, this is your A and you have B, which is the other set A and B, right? Now, so if suppose if I want A intersection B means, so this is my A part and this is my B. So, and if you observe here clearly, the A intersection B. So, this is my A which is having, this is A and this is B, our set, this is B, right? And in A we have the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4 and B we have the elements 2, 4 and 6 and the intersection part is the middle one where the two circles joins together. So, this part is our intersection part. So, this is our intersection of A and B. So, I can say this part, the entire intersection part is this. So, the white circle is my intersection part. So, this is my intersection part. Okay. A intersection B is what? The intersection of A and B is this entire joint of two circles A and B. Okay, now how you will write your elements in intersection? So, in A you will be having the elements only 1 and you will have the elements of 3 and you will have the element 1, 3 and for the B you have 2, 4 and 6. So, which is not common as 6 is not common. And the rest which is common elements, we will write it in this part. So, which is our A intersection B. They are number 2 and of course number 4. So, 2 and 4 will be the intersection and 1 and 3 is the A part and B is the 6. So we will represent all the elements. If you observe 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. We have all the elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and of course the 6. So 1, 3 will be here and 6 will be here. The common element, which is the intersection, will be in this part. So we can represent it very easily. The A intersection B is, if this is A, and if I have another circle which is B. So this is B and this is A. So our A intersection B will be, which part? The joint part of the two sets A and B. So this is A and this is our set B. So where you will intersection part will come, this is our number 2 and this is number 4. So this entire part is our intersection part, 2 and 4. So this is how we can represent the Venn diagram for A intersection B.